Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to talk about new scenario in DAX. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you'll get more understanding on different technologies like SQL Server development, performance tuning, Power BI and DAX, and integration services. Now we'll go to the Power BI desktop. There you can understand today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to design this report. So basically here the requirement is very simple. See, if you notice here, there are two slices. One is a month and year slicer and another one is some disconnected table. So in this disconnected table, I have two values. One is calendar year and another one is financial year. So and also I have one chart as well as one table visible, so both are same only. I'm just differentiating to see the output on okay. So okay, now we'll try to understand about requirement. For example, so in this slicer, if I select a calendar year and also if I select any one of the value in this slicer, so for example, let me select, so I'm selecting calendar year and I'm selecting August 2003. It means that from the January month of the 2002 up to selected month, I need to show the data. So here we can see January 2003 up to selected month. What is the selected month? So August. For example, in case selected June means I'm just displaying June. In case if I select March means I'm just displaying up to the selected month from the starting of the month. That is called calendar year. In case if I select a financial year means, so here the requirement is if I select a financial year, for example, so if I select a September mean, so in this slicer I'm selecting financial year and here I'm selecting September 2003. It means that from the July month to September month, okay, July to September month, okay, I need to display. Even if I select December also, from July to December on, okay, July 2003 to so December 2003. Again if I select August means July to so October on, okay. In case if I select June means, so I need to display so from June 2003 to previous year July so 2002. Okay, now I have selected financial year and I have selected June 2003. It means that from June 2003 to so July 2002. It means that I need to switch back to the previous year up to July. Okay. Again, if I select so February means so February 2003 to July 2000. Again, if I select Jan means again Jan 2003 to so July 2000. Again if I select December means I need to display July to December only. Okay, so that is the requirement. So based on this selection as well as in this license selection, we need to display the data dynamic way. So now it's working fine. So we'll try to understand so what exactly I have written the code to get this logic and all. It's very simple only. So go to demo measures, so select the result code. Okay, so okay, try to zoom in so that we can see so clearly. So basically here I have declared a couple of variables. In the first variable I'm trying to get the ranking. In the second variable I'm just passing this value as input to this ranking. Again in the third variable third variable I'm trying to pass the month and year value. Okay, and in the final variable I'm trying to pass in the calculate to filter the so what are the values you are getting. Again in the financial year, so because for each calendar year I'm writing one measure and financial year and also I'm writing separate measure. So and finally to get this one I'm just using switch statement based on the selection. If the calendar year means I'm just calling this measure, if it is financial year means I'm just calling this measure. Okay, we'll try to understand what exactly I have written this code in this measure. Go to the financial year, so try to zoom in. So here also I have written a couple of variables, so we'll try to understand. maybe code looks lengthy. So here also I'm trying to get the ranking based on the selection and also month and year. So here I'm just trying to get the month number from the selection and also like year value. So then I'm starting writing the if conditions. If the selected month is greater than July, means it means that from the July to up to the selected month in the current year. Okay, in case if we selected month is less than or equal to June or any one of them, okay, so it means that I need to switch back to the previous year, right? So then based on that I have written the condition. Okay, like so for each month wise I need to written the condition, and finally I am writing the variable. Okay, so might this code looks lengthy, but so maybe there is a way to achieve the same requirement also in a short way. So for timing I have done like this. So maybe going forward I'll try to come up with so different kind of solution that makes code so very short. Okay, so I think that's all for today's video. I hope you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys.